Hello friends, so in this video we will be learning how to solve a 4 into 4 Rubik's Cube. It will not be a complete video, we will be covering it fully in the upcoming videos, so let's get started. So friends, coming towards 4 into 4 there is a little change. Actually in 3 into 3 we had learned how to solve it and there is only one center for 3 into 3. Not one center but in one face there is one center, but in 4 into 4 there is a little difference. There is 4 centers, so we must correct this first, and every phase there is 4 centers and we must correct it properly and start doing. So friends, while starting to solve 4 into 4, if you are gonna solve white pieces, you must solve the opposite piece which is here, that is yellow piece. So while you are gonna solve this part, you must solve the yellow piece. So we know when we are taking white, the opposite piece is yellow. When we are taking green, the opposite piece is blue. When we are taking orange, the opposite piece is red. So we must understand that is same in everywhere. So we must understand where all the piece and where all the center will be. So while we are gonna do the centers, if we are gonna solve white, the bottom portion is yellow. So first we need to solve the white piece. So we are gonna solve it in here. So let's get started. Friends, we are gonna start solving. So to start solving, I am gonna take white portion. You can take anywhere or any portions. So I am starting with white. It's only a personal perspective. So I am gonna take white portions first. So starting with white, you must find wherever the white is. So there are 4 whites here all. So we are going to take first white. So we got it done. So we are bringing the next. So we had bring the 2 whites in the top portion and the bottom must be yellow in color. There is only one yellow here. So we are going to make it also ready. So guys, the portion is completed, white and yellow. So while you are taking the cube and start solving, you will always have a doubt how to make the yellow portions correct. So I had it, so I am telling you how to do that. So when the yellow is right here, you must think about where it should be. So we must take the yellow to here. So while we are taking like this directly, the white portion will bump out from here to here. So we should carefully take it. So while taking it, just firstly arrange it right below here like this and take the white portions one from here like this. The white portion is here right now. So then turn the yellow to here and make it into upward portion, so it will be aligned properly. So guys, it is basic logic, you must think and solve it. So we are gonna solve the next piece. So the next which I am gonna take is blue portion. So one piece is ready. So we had brought the next blue to the correct position. Friends, so we had solved the white portion, blue portion, yellow portion. So the next will be here. I am gonna solve the right portion of the blue side. So when considering the top as white and taking the blue piece here, the blue piece right will be which piece? Any idea guys? So the blue piece right side will be orange piece. So we must know that basically the blue piece right side will be orange and left side will be red. So we are gonna take orange here. The orange is right here. So we had made it correctly and we are gonna take red here.
So the red and blue pieces arranged properly. Here one piece had be kicked out, so we must make it correct. So guys, if we are gonna solve the last portion of here, it will be also coming automatically. So the every portion is arranged properly. So to continue to the next process, you must learn two equation that is shown in the side of the cube, that is left right up face up invert left invert, and the next equation is DD right face invert up right invert face DD invert. So you may have a doubt what is DD. Guys, the DD is taking these two portions together to the right side, that is DD, and if you are going to take it backward, it is DD invert. Friends, before continuing, you must learn these basics properly, because the next 2-3 things are also logic. So you must study till here and start solving. So till then,